Whoa. You.
I've got a wallet in my. I
Oh.
can't get it out.
I took mine up. Present. It's a thing. That's the present. Ignore everything else.
Just this one, not
You're an orange nun. No, those are just background. You don't want them. Oh my god. Hello. Oh my. You are an orange nun who may or may not be in a cult.
May or may not be.
Yay.
Yeah, I mean, it really makes a difference.
Look at this pretty wrapping paper.
Sniffs it.
Smells like paper.
Good deduction powers.
It really, really makes a difference in the,
You seem just like Fort Knox.
Uh-huh.
he's probably got that otter box or something.
It's to build up the anticipation.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's the present.
Go, Miranda.
Yep, I made it myself.
I'm so upset with you.
Got the wrapping.
Yeah, I'm so upset. Oh
Like, wrapped it like
my gosh, is this